What is up? It's the Cosmic.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Welcome back, everybody, to the Anonymous Trader Stockcast. This is the Cosmic, and I am going over stocks that popping stocks. I'm going over what I like to look at for overnight holds. So that's essentially what this is going to be about. An announcement of my two small profile challenges. As you can see, I have Robinhood and Webull pulled up both right there. We'll be going over that here in a second. So first, to begin with, how do I find these? What's my criteria? Well, honestly, I just go to main. And then I go to the filters. In your main is your movers tab. So you can honestly just go here, click the open up a new workspace, and click the kitchen sink. And this has been Zynga Pro. Link is down in the description. Use the promo code and our link for a 25% off for life. It's awesome. Thank you so much. And don't forget to punch that like button and give some candy to the subscribe, because you gotta be sour and you gotta be sweet. So essentially, this is the kitchen sink. You can and it tells you your signals, your newsfeed, your watch list, and your details. And honestly, I modified my kitchen sink a little bit more, and I have it more to this setup right here is a pre-market. And it's this is mainly designed for pre-market, but you can change it to however. And this is your movers tab. So on my movers, I have my market cap set to infinity, and I am looking for a $0 to $10 stock. And I move that up from time to time, mainly especially if I want to be playing options. So right now I'll do that. I'll go to gainers, and it'll let this populate and scan. And then this will, pop up from every now and then. If I want to see what's popping now, 5 minutes. What's been popping off right now? And as you can see, these have been popping off right now. SNOA, it's running off some news because the company and Microsafe Group announced that Microsafe disinfectant and sanitizer manufactured by Sonoma successfully passed both Boeing specification standards and British Aerospace. So, hand sanitizer play. It's a medical play. It's COVID time. Got to keep those hands clean. Stock that I'm currently in right now is OnDeck, ONDK, and it's running. It's running a little bit. I'm not sure why. There you go. My Evo account is showing that right here. I'm in OnDeck, only 2 shares because, again, small account. This only has about $20 in total in this account. So if I can go to account and just kind of show you. Yes, I will block off all my important crap. But you can see here it's $23.93. And I just I've just been losing since I put money into it. So that's just because I was doing stupid plays, wasn't taking stuff, and honestly, I forgot that I even had the Webull account. So I'm going to be working more on this, and especially because I can trade in the pre-market. So in Robinhood, I'm doing Robinhood just because Robinhood is a great way to trade options, in my opinion. If you're day trading throughout the day, I think it's good. I really do like its format and how it is. Like, I can go straight over here to portfolio, and it will bring it up for me. Oh, this is my portfolio, and you'll see it right here. And on the day, honestly, just today, you see that I'm up 27% on the day, and I was up unrealized 116%, but I didn't catch that cash out, unfortunately, but it's okay. And that was an option play. So I am doing a small Robinhood growth And I really honestly started out, let's go all the way back. I've had my Robinhood account for a very long time, since July, almost to this day, 2018. And I lost some money and then gained some money and just kind of held cash this whole time. And then whenever I started playing back with it, I'm starting to gain some more. So I'm going to do building this account up. Goal is to hit $100. I want to hit $100 by the end of August. And that would be very awesome. And with Webull account, with these $20 that I am going to set my basis start off of, I want to see $100 by the end of August as well. And anyways, back to On Deck. That's running. They are they are getting bought out. They're getting acquired by Nova. And I apologize for that little stammering. They're getting acquired by Nova for $90 million cash and stock deal, and their market cap is only $40 million. So that's really good. And their Q2 earnings is, it's tomorrow morning. So good thing I have Webull, because their Q2 earnings are, they already reported that it's a miss. How convenient is that they going to get purchased and then they said it was a miss. But anyways, we'll see how that goes. I do expect it to gap up in the morning. That's why I have Webull for 4 a.m. trading and to sell off throughout the rest of the day. And the stock that I'm really looking at is Sonoma. Sonoma. S-N-O-A. I do feel like this is going to be a great overnight swing. So anyways, thank you so much, fam. And also, I will be leaving a invite link down below for both Robinhood and Webull. Robinhood, if you sign up, you do get a free stock for signing up and depositing. And Webull, you get 2 free stocks. 1 free stock for signing up through with Webull, and another free stock for depositing at least $100. So I'll leave invite links in the description below. Thank y'all so much, fam, for watching.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up.